What made you decide to put in a paver driveway?
Well, I felt that I knew I always wanted one because it increases the value of the house, and it just looks awesome when it's done.
What was your experience getting the driveway put in?
It was very easy. Nicole in the office is great. She gets back with you right away and doesn't leave you hanging. And I forget what else you said.
Would you recommend American Paving Design?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. They're on time. They get back with you right away. They do a great job, and they don't let you hang either.
And how do you feel when you drive up now?
I feel like the house is complete. And it's just a beautiful job that they